husband was corona positive, and the day he got the report, I spoke to Samrat. He said ki baki sab rest to treatment you have to do, like take the supplements and all, but start with these oils. He was having fever, high fever initially, and a lot of cough. So they will not aggravate the symptoms, and plus rest other family members who don't have the symptoms right now, if they also use, they won't get any symptoms. So I thought that time I did not believe very much in it, but then I thought ki at least there is nothing, no cure for corona. At least try something out, if we are safe. So that's how we use those 2 sets, and we actually saw the difference. See, actually, the first day when he tested positive, that night only he started with this cough. Earlier it was not there. He only had high fever, 102 fever. We got him tested, and that night he started having cough. So, and next day, you can say we introduced these oils. So his coughing, you can say, he started reducing, but it took like around a good 10-15 days for the cough to completely go. But yes, the fever started coming down after like 3-4 days only. His fever was only 100, and it remained 100 for another 3-4 days, and then became 99. So like fever was gone initially, you can say week, 7 days, 8 days. But cough remained, and yes, cough took some time. And but when it was gone, it was like completely gone. We got really scared because first we thought we all three also going to have it, because we were like all staying together in one house, eating together on the table. So, and then with his cough, I was really worried about the oxygen levels. And he is allergical bronchitis, you can say a patient, because every change of season, he gets this allergical bronchitis, and it remains for like 6-7 days, very bad. And then he takes some antibiotics, he takes some cough syrups, and then only it goes. So I thought because of that condition, this corona might aggravate to the sense that it can go to his lungs, maybe he has to be hospitalized. So all those thoughts started coming into my mind. We were like really scared for him. And plus, obviously, because of coughing, we thought it is going to spread to us. But and I was also using that spray. So he was using it inside in his room, and I was using in the whole house. So thinking that that will also, that's what I feel because of this all. That's how he's help. And plus, otherwise I feel कि aggravate हो जाता बहुत ज़्यादा problem, because he being a BP patient, is बहुत ज़्यादा high तो नहीं रहता BP, but he takes my 0.25 की medicine every day. So, but that is the only problem. Otherwise, all his other parameters are fine. Cholesterol, everything is fine. Only because of BP, and plus this his bronchitis problem. I thought कि कहीं ये aggravate इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाए कि we have to take him to the hospital या oxygen ना लगाना पड़े. All those thoughts immediately start coming into my mind. The way he was sick was very bad. Throughout the night, I could hear him coughing. Initial days. So, but then it became better. Yeah. Even he, once he mentioned कि पता नहीं मैं इतनी जल्दी कैसे ठीक हो गया. Exactly. यही वाला set तो then I sent to my father also. He also developed some symptoms. Though he didn't get himself tested, but he developed symptoms of this cold and fever. Okay. So I again sent a set of oils to him. So within 4 days, the work got. I tend to keep applying it for a week. So after a week, he was absolutely fine. There were no symptoms. And now, also because he's 75 plus, so I tell him to apply at least once or twice a day these oils for prevention. So touch wood, he's been doing fine.